Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to solve messenger picture in picture. To know how to solve messenger picture in a photo, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. Then in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this page you will go to click for you will go to find the application of messenger and you will enter here. Then in this page you will go to click for stop. After that you will enter to storage. When you will see this page you will click for clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And after all that, when you will end this, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.